Hey everyone, welcome to another live from the workshop. Now a few people have said I don't do enough 3 3/4 customs. I've done a couple of Daleks, and off my YouTube I've done some Doctors and also a War Doctor TARDIS. But the other day I was thinking one thing that I really like in my collection and that I've already made one of is a Wooden Cyberman seen in Time of the Doctor. So using the same process I used on my one, I'm going to make another one, and this one is also going to be going up on eBay. There is a link in the description by the time you watch this video. So first of all, just to start, I've already made up the different gun piece that goes on it, but obviously the main step is going to be to paint it. So obviously I need to dismantle this and get on with the painting.
And here is my Wooden Cyberman.
So I'm pretty pleased with the outcome of it. It's come out very well. All the little details and everything are there. Obviously he has his special arm piece as well. So yeah, that's come out really well. As I said, this is going up on eBay. By the time you watch this, it probably already is. There's a link in the description, so please go and bid on it. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.